Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to set up and install air pressure. Okay, and then we have to look in these areas in here or in here that there is this information that what is our car's air pressure amount. In this my car model, this label sticker is in here, very hidden, and let's go to look closer at that area. Okay, and this sticker, it looks like that, and next we have to read this amount, and there is like information that in what speed we normally drive, and I recommend this speed, what is this 160. This is like about 100 miles, this amount, this middle level data. This is like 100 miles per hour, and then we look that if there is 4 person and then 5 person, and I recommend that we install this full load, because then we have bigger these bars, and now we can see that in front area there is 2.5, and there is this symbol bar 2.5 bar, and this side that amount 2.5 in front, and in back area 2.8. Okay, and let's go to check these things, and if we drive higher than this 150 miles, then we have a little bit higher these 3 bars in front and 3.3 in rear. Okay, and then we go to take this air pressure tool. Okay, and then we really need this air measurement tool that we can add this air, and this is good quality measurement tool. And now when I install air in my rear wheel, there was information that I have to set up in here 2.8 bar, and bar is like this outer area, and this is actually only bar meter. But we have also air pressure tool where is both scales in here. And then I take this my air pressure tools, this nozzle, and this is important thing because I have to press this area firstly in that way, and then this area opens. And when I install that in here, I release that in here. This is the important trick. And let's go to install this tool nose in my wheels, this air pressure hose. Okay, and this air pressure hose is this part, and I open this cover in that way. It is plastic, and then I install this my hose in here. Okay, and now we have nice view, and this part is really important, that I firstly press this area in like open, and then I press this in, and then I release this lock device in that way. And then we can see that what is my current, this air pressure, and now it's 2.2. And let's look closer that thing. Okay, and when we look at my scale, we can see that there is now air 2.2 bar, and now when I press this switch, air goes in, and in here this amount have to be 2.8. And let's look my scale closer. And now we are in this rear area, and there is this my meter, and Now we can see that there is 2.2, and when I press the switch, here goes more, and my target is this 3. So there air goes in, and now there is 2.7, more air. Now there is 2.8. Excellent. And now there is thing that I take this part away and I again test that what is this my pressure, and now there is 2.71, little bit more, and now there is 2.8. Excellent. And then firstly I press that in and now release and off. Good. And final step, this protective cap hat in only with hands. And now this feel is ready. And this was in rear feel 2.8, and now I go to another side and I install in there also 2.8, and then we go to front tires. Okay, and then we set up this front tire to 2.5 bar, and let's go to look what is the current status in that area. Okay, and let's look at what results we can get in here. Firstly, cap hat opening, and then I install this my that way, and then we look that there should be 2.5, and now there is 2.3, a little bit more, 2.5 is now in there. And we can check this amount, and if I need to release this air pressure, there is another switch in here, and we can look also this part. Okay, and there is really in the switch, there is that one install more air, and now when we look I have 2.7 and it is too much, and then there is this brown minus like release button, and I can lower this pressure to 2.5. Now 2.6. Okay, now there is 2.5, and now this front tire is okay, and I can go to another side to set up in another side also 2.5. Okay, good. And this was this video's information, and thank you for watching.